What? No way. Hello. Today I'm going to be testing the CM25 by Zhiyun. This is a brand new light, just came out, so we're going to check it out. Let's open it up. Just kidding, I'd already opened it. But look how bright that thing is. Can't get it out there. Oh, wow. The quality is actually like, it feels really nice in my hand. All right, so this is the light we've got. It's the CM25. That means it's a 25 watt light source. It's got knobs on the side for easy control. It's pretty bright, and you can adjust the temperature as well. And now I can't see. So I'm using these little knobs on the side to adjust the brightness and the temperature. So it comes with this diffuser that goes on the front. It's super lightweight at only 220 grams, and it's small and convenient enough to be able to kind of pack it along with you on any shoot. We've also got a tripod screw on the bottom. You can mount it to almost any tripod. We've got this little Manfrotto. There you go. So you can place it anywhere, a little desktop lamp. You blast it at you again, just so I can show you how bright it is. Oh yeah, look at that. Actually, you know what? I'm going to turn off my key light here. We're going to see if it can light me. So as you can see, I am much too dark, but let's see if this little light can brighten me up enough to make it usable. What? No way. Dang, look at that. So if we put it on a tripod and like had it from up here, I could probably use this thing as a key light for YouTube videos. It's pretty good. Honestly, that's really good. Adjust the temperature a little bit. So cool. So warm. That looks about right. Wow, I'm pleasantly surprised at how bright this thing is. I'm going to turn my light back on though so I can show you a couple more things. So it has an internal rechargeable battery. So you just plug it in to charge it, which is quite nice because I hate having a ton of different types of batteries laying around that I have to charge for every shoot. It actually has a built-in fan here. So it cools itself off if it gets too hot. Ooh, and on the back it says it's operable while charging. So you can plug it in and turn it on at the same time so you don't have to worry about it dying. Under the diffuser, it's got 125 high brightness lamp beads. But for the most part, I think I would leave the diffuser on to soften it up a bit. It actually sits over top of it, so it can't come off. So if you're interested in giving this little light a try, I've got a special link for you in the description to this video that will give you a little discount. You can also pick them up on Amazon. And if you do, you should also use my referral link for that as well. So yeah, I'm actually pretty stoked they sent me this. It's so small, I can bring it with me on pretty much every shoot, and I'm sure I'll find a use for it. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.